Hey everybody, coming at you with another video. I want to thank Santino Diaz for the most awesome purple Mustang, Ford Mustang shirt. And he's one of my boys from back in the day. When I hung all this stuff up, what I didn't do was include my original wall locker that I had from HMM 364, the purple Foxes. All my patches. I still have more. I need to get more Velcro, hang everything up. But it's definitely been used, and I need to clean it up, really, honestly. I need to shoot some more paint on it. But kept it, never got rid of it, because my boys gave it to me. And Diaz was... He was one of many of my Mexican connection that I had in 364, the Purple Foxes. It was my own little group, I would say. Granados, Estrada, Diaz, Rojas, and my huge Puerto Rican connection was Lopez. But yeah, that was my Mexican connection that I love to this day. AWO for life. And I'm actually going to paint a AWO in between the flag and my shadow box. So now I give thanks. Oh, and Santino bought me Diaz bought me the brush set. So I guess that was a hint to get the bust and rust. Okay, so back to the video. My other Marine, Nick, got me the T5 Tremec Pro 5.0 mini shifter, otherwise known as a Shorty shifter, and you'll see the difference. Bless you. You'll see the difference between the stock shifter and this shifter. What I'm going to do is install this. However, this is my original boot. Yeah. Hole. So I need to reorder. I need to reorder everything. I don't have to reorder it now, but I can still install the shifter. So, yeah. Come on over here. Can you see it here? Okay, so what I did was stock shifter forward, Shorty shifter forward, stock shifter rear, Shorty shifter rear. So what I'm going to do is, okay, the stock shifter is totally forward. I'm going to do a throw check from the radio to the shifter. So we're a little over 6 inches, so we'll just go 6. I'm going to write that down. 6 inches. Now what I'm going to do, take the Shorty shifter all the way back. I'm going to use this as a reference point. So we're at 4.5. 4.5. Okay, so if you look, can you see in here, Sweet Pea? The 2 bolts. Mm-hmm. That's all it is. I got to take these 2 bolts out. I'm going to pull this shifter out. I'm going to put the new shifter in, and I'll show you the difference. Do me a favor, go grab the knob that's on the table.
This one?
So real quick, what I'll do is a quick throw show of how the throw goes. So I'm here, close to the receiver. I'm here, touching the, what do you call it? Emergency brake. So you can see the travel. So let's see what the difference is from the stock to the Shorty. Okay, Sweepy. Okay, everybody, we're back. I pulled the stock shifter out of the Mustang, and like I said, the boot, cosmetics, and everything else is bad. I got to order new parts. However, we got the new shifter in, so what we're gonna do is let's go measure the throw. Go. Okay, so I installed the new shifter. Used some Loctite. Loctited the bolts, tightened them up. My lower boot, my buddy Nick was kind enough to let me know that I was missing it. So this is just the shifter Shorty arm installation. Another part 2 will come by putting the lower boot in and then putting a new upper boot in. However, yeah, let's check the throw now compared to the other one. Okay, neutral all the way forward. Okay, so now we're at 5 inches. Okay, now all the way in the rear position. A little less than 7. Inches. Reverse math. 6. 5. Hey, my math can be wrong. I don't know. I'm irritated right now. Yeah, so now let's look at the throw. You gotta be kidding me. Now let's look at the throw of the Shorty shifter. Okay, there we go. Okay, now look at the throw of the Shorty shifter. So from forward to back, it's a decrease of 3.5 inches, which is a huge difference. So if you want a quick shift, if you want a quick shift, second, third, fourth, fifth, that's a huge difference. So I'm extremely happy. So we got our Shorty shifter installed, and back up. Just want to tell you all, love you all, take care, and bye-bye.